Hi Kindergarten, today we are going to be introduced to our new sight words for the week. We are going to follow the read, spell, write routine. So if you want to get out a piece of paper and a pencil to write, this would be a good time to do so. Or you can just write the word with your finger in the air. Now let's look at our first sight word. Our first word is come. Your turn, say the word come. The word come is spelled C-O-M-E. Your turn, spell the word come. Now let's write the word. Use your pencil and paper or your finger to write the word come. I'm going to use the word come in a sentence. Can I come over? Our second new word for the week is the word does. The word is does. Your turn, say the word does. The word does is spelled D-O-E-S. Your turn, spell the word does. Now let's write the word. Use your pencil and paper or your finger to write the word does. I'm going to use does in a sentence. Does he like mac and cheese? Now, before we go, let's look at some sentences. Try to read these sentences and point to the words come and does. Pause the video so you have time for reading.